Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in Instagram on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. First open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Next tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. Step 3. Open settings and privacy. Now tap on the three line in the top right corner. Then select setting and privacy. Step 4. Change app language. Scroll down and tap language. Choose the language of the country you want your Instagram region to focus on. This helps Instagram understand your location interest. Step 5. Use location tags. When posting stories or reels, add location tags from your target country. This signals Instagram that your content is connected to that region. Step 6. Refresh your feed. Close Instagram completely, then reopen it and check your explore page. Over time, you will start seeing more content from your new region. No VPN needed. And that's how you can change your Instagram region on iPhone using only free settings. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.